Is the accused present?
Yes, she is, Your Honor.
Ready for arraignment?
Your Honor, we hope that the information being read in English, a language fully understood and comprehended by the accused.
Granted. You may proceed.
People of the
Okay, there. Very nice. So it will conserve on fuel because the heat is all goes to the pan.
Kaya pala mura, kasi aluminum lang pala. Kasi siguro to doon sa Shilling.
Ito yung gusto ko. Pero sabi ko sa'yo na walang walang alcohol. Sakto rin pala. Ito sabi ko sa'yo wala masyadong alcohol.
Damage yung dahil dito, hindi maganda yung packaging. Yan, ang talas kasi nito guys. Tapos nakaganyan siya dyan, oh. Nakaganyan siya.
Talagang gusto mo talaga mag-upgrade.
Well, good luck sa pagiging sa
Madami na. Ay, ko.
Such a lovely place. Such a lovely place.
Magkano yan?
Hindi naman ako bumibili ng kung ano-ano para sa bahay.